In this video, I'm going to share with you how much it costs to join $25 1UP, if it is really worth your time and effort, and most importantly, the shocking truth about what $25 1UP sells. Keep watching. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick the bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. Okay, so just to be clear, $25 1UP is not a scam, but keep watching because I'm going to show you a few things that might make you rethink wanting to join them. So for example, just in a nutshell, what $25 1UP is a company that depends on building upon itself. Now, what I mean by that is the company doesn't sell anything. Okay, they only sell themselves, right? So you have to kind of join the program and then start promoting that program to your friends and family, or use money on paid advertising or whatever to try to get more people into the system. So there is no real value in what $25 1UP has to offer. It's just you continuing to grow the business as you buy into the individual levels. But to its credit, $25 1UP does tout themselves as being a all-in-one type program. You literally are given everything that you would need in order to build your business within $25 1UP. All right, guys, so here we are on the inside of $25 1UP. This is basically your dashboard. You're going to take care of all of your information regarding your new business with $25 1UP right in here. So first of all, let me break down the levels. So if you look here toward the left, you have the gold level, the platinum level, the diamond level, and the enterprise levels. Now, each one of these levels require a different amount of money to sign up. For example, the gold package requires a $25 one-time investment. The platinum is a $100 one-time investment. The diamond is a $250 one-time investment, and then the enterprise is a $500 one-time investment. You also need to pay for hosting fees for each one of these levels because of the all-in-one nature that $25 1UP tries to uphold. Now, each level does grow on itself. So things that are available in the enterprise level is not available in the diamond, which is not available in the platinum, which is not available in the gold. The more that you buy in, the more control you have over the different types of functions that you are going to receive within the system. For example, one of the what's called a squeeze page that they use to try to capture email addresses. If you are just with the gold system, you can't do any type of personalization within the squeeze pages. However, if you were to jump up to the platinum, diamond, or the enterprise levels, then you can actually jump in and kind of input your own kind of flair in order to try to get people to join the system. So let's go ahead and jump through all of what the gold level at least has to offer. So I'm going to go over here to, I believe it's my business. No, let's go to my products. Here we go. And I'm going to click on gold level. So a note regarding this training is the fact that I was not really impressed with any of it. I'm an experienced marketer, so I kind of understand the ins and outs of, you know, how you can pull in a lead and then convert them, put them through your funnel, convert them to a customer. And a lot of the information here is not groundbreaking. A lot of this information is not really going to work. Some of it will work because, I mean, just if you throw it at enough people, you will have results. But just to be, you know, it kind of hurts me to say this, but just to be honest, there isn't much there. There isn't much in regards to making sure that these types of products work. A lot of this information is very novice, you know, it's very beginner, that really you can find anywhere on YouTube or just read a couple of blogs. You can get a lot of these ideas, and a lot of it too is kind of cheaply made. So for example, the Facebook groups cheat sheet video, I mean, they're calling it a video, but when you watch it, it's really just a whole bunch of still images with little notes put around it, so that there's not real production value put into it at all. And actually, when you buy into it, I mean, you're buying into it for the gold package at $25, so you're going to get $25 worth of information. That's basically what it boils down to. Just keep that in mind before joining. Now, when you get into the other products like the platinum level, the diamond, and the enterprise levels, you will be getting more information and more customization on the information here. You're going to get more than just this. There is other other trainings that are available in the platinum and the diamond levels, such as Facebook training, YouTube training. But to be honest, a lot of it is not really worth the money that you're paying into it. Like I said, it will work to a certain extent, but it's not going to give you those high conversions, giving you a ton of sales online. It's really more for people who are very, very inexperienced at marketing, and you just kind of, this is going to be their first taste into it. So a lot of these tactics, a lot of these techniques to try to draw people in, is going to get, you know, a certain type of person, if you know what I mean. So you have to be really careful with it. If you go down to the My Business, you can confirm payments, and then you get funnel pages. I will show you the funnel pages. Some of these funnel pages are decent, and some of them are not so decent. So this very first one right here, this is like the affiliate link right there. But if you click on it, I'm not going to start the video, but I just want to see if it shows. Okay, so it says discover how two-time college dropout banks $10,000 per month on autopilot. Now, a cardinal sin when it comes to marketing online is that you never ever host your sales videos or videos that you want to present to people onto YouTube. You want to use something a lot more stable, something that you can count on, because when people land on your page, you don't want to leave room for people leaving because the video didn't run or YouTube's taking too long to show, you know. So for example, this is a YouTube video, so believe me when I tell you, as an experienced marketer, this is a very amateurish looking squeeze page. Now it may work because it's just it does depends on the type of traffic that you send to it. Using YouTube for your sales pages on a squeeze page like this is definitely not something that you want to do. So this is one of the squeeze pages that they have. They have a couple others that you can, I'm gonna just give you a quick little glance at, and this is a somewhat effective squeeze page. The thing I don't like about it is that this image is kind of blurry. It's not necessarily a high quality image. So, but if you click watch the video, it does bring you to putting in your name, email address, and phone number, and that's really all they want, is they want that information so that they can begin to follow up with you and try to sell you the system, which for the most part is pretty effective. That's an effective marketing practice, getting people's emails and then pinging them in their emails, trying to get them to buy. So there's a few more squeeze pages. This is the done for you part, in which they call it. You can really take these links, and they're going to have your username or your affiliate links attached to it, so that you will easily be able to know who you are bringing into the system and who you can actually start earning money from. If you go down here, we got contacts. It gives us autoresponder, broadcast, view contacts, and tracking pixels. All of these come with the higher level tiers, not the entry level $25 for the gold package. Next up, we have the resources. It says stats, set up a sizzle call. You can buy traffic, which they just kind of shoot you straight to Udemy, which is the place where you can buy email advertisements or solo ads. Hot Facebook groups. You know, a lot of these are just kind of, these names are terrible, to be honest. I'm sorry, but they really are. Social posting tool, SMS platform, YouTube tool suite, and then postcard templates. So we're going to keep looking here. Earn residual income. I find this little part a little interesting because they show Builderall and MyEcon. Now these are two reputable companies, for the record. Builderall is one of the new kids on the block, to be honest, but it's kind of a, it's not the greatest system to use, but it has an amazing, and I repeat, an amazing affiliate program that a lot of people are jumping into right now. And that's really why the people here at $25 one up is trying to get you to join it, but I guarantee you this is an affiliate link, so if each person that signs up, guess who's getting the affiliate commissions from that. Next up, we have the Meet Your Sponsor. If you click it, it just brings in the person who refers you to the system and gives you their contact information. Your sponsor's YouTube room. YouTube is a great place for traffic and trying to generate sales, so they do promote using YouTube quite often. We have the leaderboard. If you go to the leaderboard, it shows you basically the top earners within $25 one up. I'm sure if you've done any research on this on YouTube, you've run into Adriana Villegas or TJ Holloway. TJ Holloway actually is the guy who developed this system. Marvin Rubio, Nicole Jones, Vinny Struthers. These are just a few of the ones that have popped up that I've seen on YouTube, basically making quite a bit of money with this particular program. So let's go ahead and explain the compensation plan of how $25 1UP will pay you. You know, that's one of the biggest things that you really want to know. Well, let's go back to the dashboard and we're going to look back at the levels that are available. I know I keep using the word level and they even put the word levels here, but I just want to be clear that $25 1UP is not an MLM or a multi-level marketing company. So don't really worry about that. It's really, it only has like a single, it's like 2 levels down, and 2 levels down is just a regular affiliate marketing, you know, structure. So how the compensation plan works. So one of the biggest selling points with $25 1UP is the fact that you can receive daily commissions like directly into your PayPal account. And the reason that they are able to do that is because, for example, my refer is Rotem A here. So when I signed up, I sent Rotem a direct PayPal for $25. And if I were to go up to the platinum level, I would then send Rotem $100 directly. So that's how you're getting the money quickly into your PayPal account. But here's the kicker. So let's just say Rotem only stopped at the platinum level. He didn't sign up for the diamond or the enterprise level. If I were to upgrade to the enterprise level, because he has only bought to the platinum level, the money that I would pay to go to enterprise level would then go to the very top. It would just completely skip over Rotem because he hasn't purchased it to earn those commissions yet. So you do have to buy into each one of the systems in order to receive the commission in case one of your refers were to jump above you technically. I hope that made sense. All right, so now that you understand that, I want to show you guys a picture here that I got from digitalcashkings.com. And here you'll see how the structure is kind of created. So this is you jumping in. Now, the people that you signed up, you are going to get the commissions from when they signed up. All right, so for instance, I sign up Mary, I sign up Bob, I sign up John, and I sign up Sue. However, you have to do a pass up, hence the name of the company, $25 1UP. You do have to pass up one of the commissions. So for example, if Mary, so I sign up my first commission here with Mary and that money goes to me. Now, if I sign up Bob, that commission doesn't go to me. It actually goes to the person who referred me. Okay. And then if I sign up John, Sue, and all the way down the line, I can sign up 1,000 people. They'll all pay their commissions to me because I've already, but all of the commissions coming in from Bob are going to go to the person right above me. So this here is how the system kind of becomes passive, you know, because you don't have to keep working, because as long as Mary, Bob, John, and Sue continue to promote the product, you're going to be receiving residual income as well as the person who sponsored you. So it kind of very similar to a multi-level marketing company, but it really isn't. However, one thing that it is very similar to is to what's called a pyramid scheme. And I'm not going to directly call $25 1UP a pyramid scheme, but one of the classic things that a pyramid scheme has is the fact that there is no product that is being sold, right? So here there's no value in really anything that you are getting other than the opportunity to continue to promote $25 1UP. So the system is very similar to, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of AWOL Academy. In fact, I have a review of them right above me if you want to go check out that review of AWOL Academy, as well as a Duplicate Dave or Legendary Marketer. If you have heard of those programs, those are typically high ticket programs that ends up paying you quite a bit of money in commissions. However, you have to buy into the systems. Those systems work, but you have to buy into them. For instance, I think one of the systems that you have to buy into is a minimum investment of around $2,500. So when you buy into those other systems, those high ticket systems, you are actually getting value because they are giving you top-notch training on how to turn around and sell basically whatever it is that you want. However, the training here is not very good. You know, you're not going to turn around and use the training that's available to really sell anything, because they really just want you to turn around and sell $25 1UP. So if AWOL Academy is like the Target or the Walmart of these types of systems, this would be like the little bodega on the corner. Unfortunately, that's really kind of how it boils down. So I don't necessarily recommend $25 1UP because it's a little, you can look at the website. I mean, it's really amateurish. A lot of the products that you're supposed to be getting, you know, they're not that great. It is an all-in-one system, and you can make money with it, but ethically, I couldn't do it because there's nothing about it that really adds any value to anyone's life. And the one thing about owning your own business and making money online is the whole idea of having multiple income streams always coming in. So if $25 1UP were to disappear tomorrow, you'd have to ask yourself, what type of value did I receive by using the system? And really, there was no value gained. If the company were to disappear tomorrow for any reason, you would have nothing, you know, and then you would be back in a situation that you might be in right now, trying to find a way to make good money online. So it might be good for a cash grab now. It may even be pretty good to try to introduce yourself to marketing legitimately online, but we here at Benji Dad do not necessarily recommend it. Now, the one thing that we do recommend is that you check out my free video series over at benjisdad.com. That's benjisdad.com. There I have a free video series that will show you step by step how you can build your own business online on basically anything that you want. There's real value there, and it's very step by step. Plus, I will be your free coach and mentor just for trying it out. It's 100% free to try, so go ahead to benjisdad.com. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description. Input your email address and you will be well on your way. So what experience have you had with $25 1UP, if any? Let me know down in the comments below. Please smash that like button if you enjoyed the value that we were able to provide for you here regarding the $25 1UP system. Please be sure to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family so that others can make money online just like you. And if you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button that should pop up probably around the middle of the screen over there. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be right above my head there, and I will catch you all later.